Wait.
Oh, but it's too loose.
It's too loose.
It's way too loose.
So we're here at Dutchess County. Andy, Sam, and Rowan, no Cameron today. Beautiful day. Temperature is a little bit colder than Farmingdale, but definitely windy. You can see the windsock in the distance there, almost at full sail. So it's a relatively windy day. We get some gusts every now and then. We're getting ready to head back to Republic Airport. So I'll see you in the cockpit.
And Dutchess ground, Baron 111 Mike Alpha.
Baron 111 Mike Alpha, ground.
Yes, sir. Restaurant parking with Papa, requesting full length, runway 33.
Baron 1 Mike Alpha, runway 33, taxi Echo Alpha, cross runway 33.
Echo Alpha, cross 33. 1 Mike Alpha.
And Baron 1 Mike Alpha, that's Echo Alpha Bravo, cross runway 33.
Thought so. Echo Alpha Bravo, cross 33. 1 Mike Alpha. Instruments. Check. 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 Back to both. That bug is hanging on. Let's see how long he can hang on for. Bags, instrument air, ice protection, don't need it. Throttle's idle, trim. Flaps, don't need them. Flight controls. Rudders. Again, if something happens before the wheels are up, we're on the ground. Okay. 24-4. And what's departure? I'm going to ask him when we take off. Tower, Baron 111 Mike Alpha is ready to go 24 full length.
Baron 111 Mike Alpha, Dutchess Tower, runway 24, cleared for takeoff, say direction.
We're going southbound.
Baron 1 Mike Alpha.
Ready?
Let's go.
Takeoff thrust set. 60 knots. 80 plus 5. Rotate. Pitch down for blue line. Gear up.
Silent 7256 Yankee holding short 24. Request VFR departure east.
This is 7256 Yankee, Dutchess Tower, runway 24, cleared for takeoff, wind 33010, gust 15, say direction of flight.
24 cleared for takeoff. We'll be heading east-southeast. 56 Yankee.
This is a 56 Yankee, left turn southeastbound. It's approved, wind 360 gust 15.
You taking notes, Sam?
Yep.
All right. I'll quiz you.
Yep.
Oh no.
You'll be alright.
Oh my God, God.
Yeah, how you doing? Just off of Dutchess, 3.5 or 5.5. Going to Republic advisories if you got time.
Squawk 0301.
0301, 1 Mike Alpha. 0301. I have a button on my
What
thumb.
do you mean like trim?
1 Mike Alpha, ready to contact, 8 Southwest Kingston VFR, 3,900 feet indicated, altimeter is 3030, maintain VFR.
3030 with 4 for 5.5. Maintain VFR, Mike Alpha. The fingertips, we don't like trim, make manhandle the plane.
Where's autopilot?
He's right there.
Where does it show your gas?
What do you mean, how much we have or how much we're burning?
How much a tank? Where's your tank?
Those
Yeah.
two right there. See, they're just a little less than a half. See that airplane on the magenta line? Try to keep it on there.
Can I check the alert?
Yeah, push alert. That's all right.
Isn't that a place where you like can't go?
Yeah, it's letting us know that the Class Bravo, which is the very, very busy airspace around the New York airports.
You're not allowed.
Well, you are allowed with permission. And
But we don't have.
And I'm talking to a guy right now, and we're not going to go in it, but if I needed to, I could always ask him to go in it.
In our route?
Yeah.
Are we
We're
gonna
going
go
to we're going to descend below it.
Oh.
And there's 5,500 feet right now. So I'll put the autopilot on for a second, let it stabilize, pull the power back.
There are no airplanes around.
Nobody around. Nobody
Just
around
us.
today, just us.
We have the entire sky to ourselves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, cow flaps closed. You guys need heat or you good?
No, we're good.
Mr. Clark, you got enough heat back there or you good?
Yeah, I'm all right, thank you.
Alright. Okay.
I
so-
remember that from Flight Sim.
What's that?
At Flight Simulator
Oh yeah,
last year, there was like this.
Yep, it's a horizon.
That shows you if you're going like up or down.
Yep. Alright. Power, mixture. Yeah, we can lean it out.
132.82, 3 Tango Fox, thanks.
Dad, when you're taxiing,
Yep.
does it work for yours or does it work for
Yours
ours?
also. Your feet just weren't long enough. If I move your sheet all the way, I'll let you taxi back to the hangar. Alright?
What?
I'll let you steer. New York 111 Mike Alpha checking in 5.5, taking it down to 3.5.
111 Mike Alpha, altimeter 3030 Westchester. Thanks.
3030, thank you.
November 6 Tango Whiskey, contact departure 11817, 1817.
1817, 6 Tango Whiskey.
Or 0 Romeo Delta.
This tells me to get
Newark is
to Republic Airport, if we start at 545,
Oh yeah, you told me.
a 550 foot per minute descent,
Diagonally.
it'll take us over the field at 1,000 feet.
2760, Romeo Delta.
Numbers to win.
33 departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 7000, turn left lane 250.
And now, which unit is that? That's
a Garmin 396. I have it programmed, so if it calculates at a 560 foot per minute descent,
You go perfectly.
it'll take me overhead Republic at 1,000 feet.
That's cool.
Yeah.
62 golf, contact approach 125.7.
25760. Approach 120.
IFR, departures, U.S. ground control for Texas, you are IFR. Read back all runway hold instructions, runway assignments, and altitude assignments. Republic Airport Information Tango, time 1653 Zulu. Wind 290 at 12, gust 18, visibility 10. Sky clear below 12,000. Temperature 11, dew point -5.
Dad,
Altimeter
1 second.
3031. Visual approach in use, landing and departing runway 32.
Tango 32. New York 111 Mike Alpha checking in 1.5 Tango Republic.
Baron 111 Mike Alpha Republic, tower.
12 miles due north, landing with Tango.
Baron 1 Mike Alpha, right down runway 32.
Right down with 321 Mike Alpha. Okay, so he's over the runway,
There.
and we have a stable approach here. Do another gump. Gas, undercarriage mixture, 3 green, right, Sam?
yep, 3 green.
We'll put the props forward now. Got the red and the white, and we're all right. Wind check.
Wind 33013, gust 19. Cessna 0 Juliet Alpha, you have Alpha 5?
You have Alpha 5, 0 Juliet Alpha.
0 Juliet Alpha, thank you. Left turn, Alpha 5, contact ground. Have a good day.
Alpha 5 over the ground. You as well, 0 Juliet Alpha. Thanks for your help. Republic Tower, Cessna 1517 Echo is over the Northport stacks. Inbound for touching goes. Information Tango.
Cessna 1517 Echo, Republic Tower, right downwind runway 32.
Right downwind runway 32, 1517 Echo.
Perfect. Oh yeah.
32 line point traffic, 2.5 mile final.
60 Victor.
Oh, that was good. That was good.
I tried.
Baron 1 Mike Alpha Atlantic.
Firm.
1 Mike Alpha, left Alpha 4, contact ground. Good day.
Good.
Republic Tower, 2 Juliet Whiskey, ready for departure runway 32. Arrow 60 Victor, runway 32, clear for takeoff, eastbound approved.
Call, we'll work on 80 for that.
Yeah, I think that would be good.
Alright, let me go see if I can get that for you.
Off.
And,
Off.
We'll go from there. V1, just stand by on the frequency.
Okay. Ground 111 Mike Alpha is off the active to Atlantic.
111 Mike Alpha, public ground, taxi, parking via straight ahead, cross 1, southbound Bravo.
Cross 1 South Bravo, Mike Alpha. All right, Sam, so push.
Republic guys,
Alpha.
Push left when you want to go left.
Oh,
Push
where,
right when you
want.
want to stay on that yellow line.
All right.
Stay on the line. Clear to cross this runway.
Oh, where are we going? Right or left?
Going straight.
All right.
Push left.
How do you put power?
Just, I'm working the power.
We have information
Oh, that's
Tango
good.
and a northeast departure, please. Stand by 11, please. Stand by.
Stay on that line.
Yeah.
Oh, now we need to make a hard left.
All right, push left.
Left, going right. Now, and I'm going to give a little power on the right side to help us pull around.
All aircraft, stand by.
Zero Juliet Alpha, taxi Alpha, cross runway 1 to Echo.
All right, where are we going now?
Down there.
Right?
Alpha cross
At the end, we're going right.
All right.
Alpha.
Seal active.
What?
What's door seal activate?
There's a door seal, a rubber, like a tube in the door, and there's a pump that puts air into it, so it seals the door and makes it like more noise proof.
1,000 feet. So they called over here to just let me
Are they red?
let you know that I guess it needs to get looked at for
Got
some
something
reason.
red on
It's
it.
showing you bouncing between
tail red?
24,000 feet and
Yeah, tail heads.
Cessna 3 Foxtrot Tango, you out of Atlantic or Echo? I'm sorry, out of Atlantic. Cessna 3 Foxtrot Tango, not a problem. Cross the approach 21, Gulf Alpha, and the current wind 30010, gust 20, altimeter 30.
I guess I won't be taking that plane anytime.
Foxtrot Tango, public ground.
Something with the encoder on the transponder.
There you go. We got Tango, northeast departure. Cessna 3 Foxtrot Tango, not a problem. Cross the approach 21, Gulf Alpha, and the current wind 30010, gust 20, altimeter 3032. All right, we got the weather. We're crossing 1, Gulf Alpha over to 32 for 732 Foxtrot Tango.